Westermans here with a Oerlikon compact 3000T compact MIG welder, spot time, latch time and continual weld on a trigger. Quick function test. Bit of power up to maximum. Probably have a burn back on the tip, but let's see how we go. 1.2 wire by the look of that. That's more like a spray than it is a nice crackle, but obviously too much power for the amps and the wire speed. More details can be found on westermans.com or email welding@Westermans. Machine will come complete with torch, regulator and earth clamp and whatever wire is in there at present. Thank you for looking.